I'll just do this.
Hello everybody, we're doing a nighttime.
Hello everybody, we're doing a nighttime nature video. Hope y'all enjoy it.
It's a hummingbird.
Hmm. Sick.
Here's your sister. Videotape her too.
Well, Harley came out to join the crowd. Probably can't see her real good, but here she is.
She has attitude.
Or we call it catitude.
No, you don't step in the flowers. You know better.
No
Stay,
flowers.
So see if you're gonna be grounded. Get over here. Come on.
You don't need to sniff them yet. They haven't grown.
It's tough being a kitty. Huh? Oh, excuse me? Huh?
I think that's her way of saying, hey, pet me.
Yeah, she says I like you.
Now she's rolling around.
Oh. You got this?
What, do you think you're a dust mop or something?
See, look at you.
Or a broom to sweep off the patio?
What side are you gonna be on?
You missed some spots, Harley.
Baby girl. Look at Bubby. I wouldn't want to take it, I'm too scared. There's stuff out
No.
there that eat me.
If you had a glow-in-the-dark collar, we'd walk you around out there.
Yeah, on the leash. Look at her. She's like, I'm hugging you guys. I love you. I'm a good girl. Derek. Yay. Are you print? Oh, you gotta be recording her, hugging you. She hugs Bubby. Good girl. Oh, you're so pretty. Come here.
Yeah, she's sweeping the patio again. Make sure you get it all, Harley.
I'm taking a dust bath. Baby girl.
And sweep the whole patio, you'll get some treats.
You feel better. You didn't get your boots dirty. Oh, look. She says, Derek. Where are you? Where's this cherry? I'm so confused. She says, anyway. There's got to be some sort of birds, maybe. It sounds like.
I think it's a bird of some sort. I don't know what.
But those are little peepers or little frogs that are making that noise. And we seen robins today. It's still 58 degrees. I mean, it was earlier. I don't know what the temperature is now.
I think it's about
But we
47.
growing for our garden, which we can show everybody tomorrow.
Yeah. In future videos, you'll see us go live building stuff.
Yeah, because we got pallets. We're going to make a shed and a swing. I should have asked the people at CNR tonight if they're going to do any, because they had pallets in there.
I didn't even think.
Well, there's too much going on with that poor lady.
Yeah.
The emergency and that. I honestly didn't think about it.
Yeah. Well, If Rob or Jim are in tomorrow, ask them. I'm sure we'll be there
Where's that?
at CNR.
Ask them about.
The pallets.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. Cause they're just sitting there. Did you see them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We can make us a shed for gardening, and we can make us a swing for the pit fire. We can make us a couple sheds, but yeah. Pretty is good. You can make all kinds of good furniture, outside furniture, as long as it's treated.
Mm-hmm.
You know. And we will do that.
Get over here, Harley.
Oh, she's going to those flowers again. You know it, kid. Baby girl.
Get over here. You don't need to be in the flowers.
Don't know. She will be so grounded. Sissy,
Get over here.
get. She knows when I tell her. No, you don't have to go in. You ready to go in? Aww.
No. You don't need to go over there.
No, you're happy. You're happy, I know. Sissy, control yourself.
She's gotta bathe herself again.
Well, she rolled around in the dirt, being like a bird, taking dirt
Yeah.
bath.
No,
I
she's...
usually have to dust her off before
Yeah.
we go in anyway.
She's sweeping off the patio so we don't have to...
I have to sweep her off before we go in. Because she's all dusty. She does it all the time. Next time I'll put the leash on her.
Yeah.
She don't mind as long as I follow her. She's not grounded though, so I'm not going to do it. She's just cute. I wish the owls were out, or coyote.
I think I heard an owl earlier.
Really?
Yeah.
He said, I like you, Dad. This is fun.
What do you see, Harley?
She says, I see I can't step on the flowers. So I'll get grounded. She says, I'm a bad girl when I do that. Is she walking around? Yeah. You out there, babe?
I was gonna say, I'm still out here with Harley.
No, I'm talking about Laura, honey. You can take Granny whenever you want, baby.
Okay. This'll be the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed.